From high-tech learning environments to interactive boardrooms, organizations are making investments in professional AV systems to meet their ever-growing demand for more dynamic experiences. Let's explore a building with 3 floors in the basement to see what makes up a complete solution. Starting at the top of the building, we have an executive office with video conference capabilities next to an executive conference room. Moving down 1 floor, we have a huddle room for collaborative working and an open office environment. On the main level, we have a lobby environment next to a retail space. In the basement, we have an auditorium. Each of these levels have a telecom room with the necessary equipment to drive all the devices on each floor. In this auditorium, we have the capability to show content on 3 different displays. 1 is driven by the projector, 2 are large monitors. You can show the same content on all 3 or different content on each or any combination. In the tables, we have power and AV outlets to allow the screens to be driven from the audience. The podium shows all the necessary equipment, including a tablet-based controller. In terms of audio, there is a built-in microphone as well as some high-quality speakers to be able to share audio content. Let's take a closer look at the cabling necessary to support one of the screens. This is all the equipment necessary to make sure the auditorium functions as expected. In a retail space, digital signage is a great way to showcase products and special offer messaging. Video walls can create the wow factor, and network screens provide lots of options for how to reach customers. Looking up, we see how important audio is in retail as well. Think about the stores you visit and how much music is played at these locations. On the desk, you can see the phone is actually our paging device. The lobby is another area with digital signage. Here it is shown in the elevator, but it could be in the lobby as well as show content from the enterprise that owns the building. The speakers are important here in case of paging. Let's follow the cable back to the IDF. For all the digital signage on this floor, we need the right electronics to make sure you can maximize what you are displaying. Huddle rooms are becoming more common as areas for collaboration, especially in open office environments. The connectivity we are showing allows flexibility in terms of devices that can be brought into the room and plugged in. The same applies to this common area within an open office space. Let's see the equipment in the telecom room necessary for this floor. Moving to the executive level, the office has full video conferencing capabilities and a tablet controller for all the room's devices. Finally, let's show the executive conference room. At each chair around the table is a device with a microphone and screen. This allows the moderator to control who is speaking and everyone to get a closer view of the speaker or presentation being given. This system is not networked. In fact, all of the control sits within the podium. Looking at the ceiling, you can see the projector and a camera that can be used to show the speaker or for a video conference. Let's follow the speaker cable back to the IDF one last time. The procurement of this building's full AV solution could require over 40 purchase orders from multiple suppliers. As your single source, we can help you reduce your shipping costs and cut purchase orders and associated admin by 50%. Time and cost savings don't stop there. We can help you reduce non-productive labor and speed rollout with our deployment and material management services. For more information on building and deploying the right professional AV infrastructure, visit annixter.com/proAV.